This is a demonstration of the OptimEyes Histogram tool. A histogram is a graph showing the number of pixels at each brightness level that appear in an image or in a selected area of an image. We'll open a grayscale image and a color image and select regions of different shapes from each, and then show how their histograms can be displayed together on the same graph, enabling easy visual comparison. We'll tile the images, and first draw a rectangular ROI on the color image, and then an elliptical ROI on the grayscale image. With our images set up, let's open the histogram tool. You'll notice a bullet at the beginning of the title bar of the grayscale image, indicating that it's the active image, or technically the active viewport. We'll select Add Histogram from the Histogram tool's Action menu to generate a histogram from the active ROI in the active viewport. Since the histogram extends beyond the top of the graph, I'll hit the Enter key to automatically scale it to fit. Next, I'll activate the color image, and you'll notice that it now has a bullet at the beginning of its title bar. And then we'll generate a histogram for its active ROI. You'll notice the boxes on the new histogram line indicating that it's currently the active histogram. You can activate any histogram by right-clicking on it. Finally, let's generate one more histogram from the red color plane in the color image. To do that, we'll open the 24-bit color tool, select the red plane, and generate the histogram. I'll hit the Enter key to rescale the graph again, and then let's make the histogram tool's window larger so that we can see it in more detail. We can view statistics for the currently active histogram by selecting Show Stats box from the Action menu. Also, if we select Options from the Visualize Script menu, we can configure the histogram tool to generate visualized script variables holding these values when the next histogram is generated. The variables can then be used by scripts to control your machine vision applications based on the values in your histograms.